What is the first step in solar panel recycling? Removing the junction box and aluminum frame, exactly. But here comes the big question. How can we remove them efficiently? By hand? Manual dismantling is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and inefficient. That's where our semi-automatic solar panel deframing machine comes in. It can efficiently remove both junction boxes and aluminum frames while keeping the glass surface intact, maximizing the value of recovered materials. With its cost-effective design, simple operation, and easy maintenance, this machine helps improve your solar panel recycling efficiency and reduce labor costs. Looking for a smarter solar panel recycling solution? Contact us today for a free quote. SUNY Metal is dedicated to providing advanced solid waste recycling solutions. Follow us for more recycling technology videos and let's build a greener future together.